Hi guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today we're making a suspenders card for Father's Day. It's so cute, so much detail, and so awesome and perfect for dad. So let's make it. Okay guys, so as usual, this is all we need for a card. This is our base. It's a regular 5.5 by 8. I'm going to put it aside because we're going to actually build the shirt before we do the card. So I'm going to do the details on the shirt first and show you how to do it. If you want to do it, we're actually going to do stitching on it. Alright, so let's start by measuring 1/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. So just a short measurement, right? Just 1/8 of an inch on all 4 sides. And now you're going to take your ruler and your piercing tool, and you're going to pierce every 1/8 of an inch. So you're going to literally make a hole in the paper every 1/8 of an inch. See what I'm doing there? So make sure and do this on a craft mat so that you don't damage your table. See how that looks stitched? Are you seeing it? So we're going to do the same thing on the other side, and the same thing for this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So for this one, it has my buttons have to fit within, so I'm literally just going to measure maybe a 1/16 of an inch and go down with that. Right, so now my shirt is stitched, so it looks really nice, and you can see the stitching pretty well. And I'm going to start putting this card together. I'm going to firstly stick this down. So this is 4 1/8 of an inch. So this will stick at 1 3/4. So I'm going to stick that down now. Measure 1 3/4 and stick it down. Right, now I'm going to work on the color for the actual shirt. So we're going to take this piece of paper, which is 1 inch by 3.5 inches. We're going to score it at 7/8 of an inch on each side. And then we're going to fold it in and allow it to meet perfectly. See how that meets perfectly there? That's what we want. Right, now we're going to cut up a 1/2 of an inch on each of these lines. So you could literally draw the 1/2 inch, right? Right. So I'm going to cut up 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch, right? And I'm going to take this piece, and I'm actually going to fit this in here like so. Smack in the middle, and then we're going to fold these in and make it turn out like this. Alright, so that's the color of your shirt. It's really easy to center if you center it on the middle panel or the middle section. Right, see how nice that looks now? So you're going to turn this over and you're going to just stick down the back like so. I'm going to open these and you're going to stick this down as well. Just put a line here and stick this down as well. See, now your shirt has a cute little color. It's a nice thick color, but it comes down and it opens, right? Now you're going to add our suspenders to the shirt. This is really simple. You're going to literally take these pieces and fold them on to this. See, so that's going to stay there. We're going to measure 3/8 of an inch. 1, 2, 3, make a mark, and then measure 3/8 up here. So now take the suspenders, run a line up the middle only, like this, right? Leave these folded, like so, and then stick your suspenders on that 3/8 inch line all the way down, like so. Now you're gonna measure down a 1/4 inch here, and then draw a line from that 1/4 inch straight up to the color, and do the same on the other side. And now you're gonna cut that off. Right, so just make a straight cut through the suspenders. See, perfect. So they look like perfect shoulders. Look at that. So it's all coming together already. Let's work on the trouser. We're gonna start by sticking this piece. You're gonna stick this straight down, like so. And this one is 2 3/4 by 3/4. And then you're gonna grab your belt loops. You're gonna grab your belt loops and stick them down, like so. Right. And now we're gonna work on the base of the suspenders. So to make the base of your suspenders, you're going to take this piece, you're going to take this, the biggest one here, and do it on the other side as well. Right, so you're going to cut this to be 3/4 of an inch. So just put it at the point at 3/4 like this, and cut. And I'll do the same for this one. And you're literally going to stick this on. See, so our suspenders are on. So you could actually play with the suspenders. You can take it up and down. Let's install the rest of this. We're going to do buttons down the front of the shirt, a button for the pants, and a bow tie. Remember not to put any glue up here because it's going off the card a bit. So you're going to stick it down here first, and then just drop it on the card and make sure you center it. We're just going to pop a sentiment right here, just like where the pocket will be for the card, for a regular shirt, and that's it. So best dad ever. Such a cute card, look at that. And it stands like this. You could stand on, especially if daddy works, you know what I mean? This is a perfect card for a working dad. Lots of details on the color,
And you see that stitching that we did? You can do stitches on the pants as well. I just left it plain. It's so cute.
Thanks so much for watching while we made this gorgeous Father's Day card. These cards are just too much. Perfect for Father's Day. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content. And stay crafty, my friends.